Hello friends, welcome to my channel Ingredients Inside. If you haven't subscribed yet, press the subscribe button and press the bell icon to never miss any important update. So friends, today I'm gonna review Elta MD Skincare UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. It's a tinted sunscreen and probably has been available in the market since a very long time. And Elta MD is a good brand. It is a very older brand in sunscreens, and they've been making really nice cosmetics in the market since a very long time. Being a broad spectrum antibiotic, sorry, I wanted to say sunscreen. Being a broad spectrum sunscreen, it's a good sunscreen, and it has good ingredients. I want to say it has zinc oxide and octinoxate. Both the ingredients are nice. Both the ingredients are good. Both are antioxidants as well. Being a broad spectrum sunscreen, it reflects back UVA and UVB and protects you from UVA and UVB as well. It has PA triple plus protection. Elta MD is a good sunscreen. It is tinted formula, oil free, fragrance free, paraben free, sensitivity free, and non comedogenic as well. So being non comedogenic, it will never ever block your pores and will never cause any kind of acne or anything on your face. So you must be thinking that you should be buying the sunscreen or no. Watch the video till the end so that you can understand that you should be buying the sunscreen or no. So let's get started. All in all, it's a good sunscreen and it has been for a while in the market. Elta MD is a good brand. They have made a tinted sunscreen with a little touch of foundation also in it. SPF 46 is a decent SPF, and broad spectrum sunscreen it is. Zinc oxide is a nice ingredient. Octinoxate is a nice ingredient. All in all, both are nice ingredients, and Elta MD has been working really hard on the project, and they have been working very hard on this sunscreen as well. Elta MD is a good brand, and their sunscreens always turn out to be good sunscreens in the market. Their sunscreens always turn out to be good products in the market. They have been working really hard on the products as well. So this sunscreen is also good. The SPF is nice. The SPF is decent. SPF 46 is really nice. It's a decent SPF all in all, and the brand itself is also very good. It is non-comedogenic. Very less sunscreens are non-comedogenic. Blocking pores has been very common in all the sunscreens usually, whatever I find. So Elta MD has been working on non-comedogenic sunscreens as well. Being tinted, being tinted, it gives you a little kind of glow, and you better remember that this sunscreen is not water resistant. So you have to apply the sunscreen every 3 hours if you're sweating or anything. If you are experiencing any kind of sweating as well. But all in all, it's a good sunscreen. It's a good product. I've used it myself. I've liked the product a lot. Face, neck and hands region are preferably where you should apply the sunscreen, and I would prefer that you should apply the sunscreen half an hour before going out in the sun as well. So a good sunscreen, a good product. SPF 46 is nice, and SPF 46 is decent. It is surely recommended from my side to buy Elta MD SPF 46 for your sun protection. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.